Hello. Hi.
Ma'am,
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also doing great. So tell me about yourself. Your name is Tanisha, right?
Tanishka, yeah.
Tanishka. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, my name is Tanishka. I am 7 years old. I am second standard. My hobbies are reading, cycling, playing chess, and singing. And my favorite color is red. And I love to sing also. Yeah.
And when is your birthday?
What to say now?
When is your birthday?
Birthday. I in 2nd October.
Oh, your birthday falls on 2nd October.
Yeah, 2016.
This year, in 2024, you will turn 8, right?
Yes. What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Meenu Puri.
Oh,
Okay.
are you feeling better now?
Yes, I am better. But I am much better.
Okay.
So,
Take care of you.
yeah, sure. So, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have sibling.
Is he a brother?
Yeah, I have 3 brothers
Okay.
and I have 1 sibling.
Brother sisters are
One
called
sister.
siblings. Sisters and brothers all are called siblings.
I have 1 sister, and I have 3 brothers.
That means you have 4 siblings.
No, 1 siblings.
No,
1 sister. 1 sister.
brother is also a sibling. 3 brothers
Yes.
and 1 sister. So that means you have total 4 siblings.
Oh,
Who is the eldest?
eldest, my sister.
Okay, she's the eldest. How old is she?
She is 13 years old.
Okay, she's 13 years old. Does she fight with you?
No, sometimes she fights with me when I do masti.
Oh, very naughty, right? So then she
Yes.
fights with you. Your brothers?
Yeah. My one brother, her name is Shivansh. He is 7 years old, and second brother is Rajveer. Her name is Rajveer,
No,
and he is 8 years old.
okay. And the third one?
Third one, it's a baby.
Oh, it's a baby. How old is he?
Yes.
How old is he?
I don't know. I can't remember. So yeah.
Yeah, how much?
Sorry. 2 years old.
Okay, he's 2 years old. So whom do you love the most?
I love three
Love-
brothers. That.
Okay, you love all of them. And the one
Yeah.
baby, what's his name?
Her name is Aviraj.
No, say his name because it's a boy. For boys, we use
Yeah.
his name is
Yeah.
Avi- his name is
Yeah.
Aviraj.
Aviraj.
Aviraj. So does Aviraj
Yeah.
know how to speak? Does he speak?
No, he's small. That's why he can't speak.
Okay. Does he make funny noises like all these noises?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, but he doesn't say anything. Does he say mama, papa?
Yeah, but when the means the Aviraj said Baba or Mama, Papa, like this said. A small sentence like
Okay.
short.
Okay.
Yeah.
About your parents.
Yeah, in my family there are 4 members in my family.
Tell me
Yeah,
about,
mother, my father, sister, and me.
okay. So tell me about your mother.
Yeah, my mother make videos and she upload my videos in YouTube. My YouTube channel name is English with Tanishka.
Oh, your mother makes. So don't say mother make videos, say my mother makes videos and she uploads them on my channel. So she has created a channel for you, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
She uploads videos and I make my videos and she edit videos and upload.
She creates and uploads videos. What does your father do?
My father do electrician job.
You can say my father does electrician work or my father is an electrician. My father does work or my father is an electrician.
Okay.
Whom do you love more, mummy or papa?
Both. I like both.
Oh, you like both. Okay.
Yes. Do you have sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Oh, nice.
And why did you want to talk to me?
Because I want to make English speaker and I want to speak with you. I'm glad very much. I'm glad with you.
Oh, so sweet. So you are so glad that I am talking to you. You wanted to talk to me.
Yes,
Okay. So
yes.
you
I
make
want to
your
talk with you. Sorry, you.
so you want your English to become fluent.
Yeah,
Okay,
I want to fluent English.
tell me about your school.
Yes, my school is too much best, and in school, I talk with my teacher in English, with my friends English, and my school name is Walnut School.
Which school?
Walnut School.
Walnut school. Okay, you
Yeah.
speak English with your teachers and speak English with your friends.
Yes.
Okay, how many friends do you have in school?
In school, I have 10 friends.
Oh, so which one is your best friend?
My best friend is Somya because she helped me too much. Yes.
He helps you in what?
She helps in when I means when I hurt somewhere, when she called to some teachers. There
Okay.
is teachers. Then the teacher tell me what that.
So whenever you are hurt and you are in pain,
Yes.
she immediately calls the teachers and then they give you the first aid, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is why you like her. And how do you help her? Do you help her?
Yes, I help her. She's too much nice friend.
Oh, she's such a nice friend. Does she come to your place?
No, she don't come here.
Okay, she doesn't come here.
Yeah.
Do you go to
She
her place?
live in there,
She
in
lives,
her place.
she's,
She live in her home only. In school we meet together.
you only meet in school. She never comes to your
Yeah.
place. And do you go to her place?
No, I don't visit her home.
Tell me, where did
Do
you?
you have brothers?
I have a brother.
Yeah, what you say?
I have one brother. Did you have a school picnic?
Yes, there is, but not in these days because there is our carnival practice and carnival competition also at 17 January.
Okay. So there is a carnival.
That's why we want picnic.
Okay. So there is a carnival, winter carnival, which is coming on 17th of January. So are you participating?
Yeah. Yes, I'm participating. We have to dance to all peoples, from all peoples.
You have to dance in front of everyone. Okay. So are you learning the dance steps well?
Yes, I'm learning well, and the song name is Let's Nacho.
You are practicing every day in school?
Yes,
Okay.
it's dance only in school.
Okay. So these days they are not teaching you much. They are just giving you dance practice.
Yes,
Yeah. So
yes,
means you are enjoying in school, right?
yes, I'm enjoying in school too much, and we dance lots of.
Okay. You dance a lot and you are enjoying
Yes,
a lot. And who is
yeah.
your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Nancy ma'am.
Okay.
She
What
teach English subject.
she teaches English.
Yes,
Okay. So we say teach, don't say teach when the subject is singular. We say she teaches English
okay.
because she is one. She is singular. Why do you like her?
Because I like English, I want to speak fluently English. That's why I want to learn English. And my favorite teacher is Nancy ma'am only
Okay.
because she take care of me and she's my favorite.
Okay.
They also like
Care of
me.
you. She takes care of you and she likes you and she loves you.
Yeah, they also like me.
And do you play sports in school?
Yeah, we have sports, but instead of sports, we are taking dance.
Okay, you have taken dance.
Nowadays, we are taking only dance.
After the carnival, you will have your final exams. So how's your exam preparation
Yeah.
going on? Are you studying?
Not in school. In home, we are studying. Means I'm studying in home because in school we are dancing only.
So you are studying at home. In home, we say at home. So you are not studying at
Okay.
school, but you are studying at home, right?
Yes, in school because there is carnival competition. That's why the com-
Yeah. There is
that's why
no time left
it's
for
not
studying.
studied in school.
Your favorite subject.
My favorite subject is English, maths, and science.
Which subject is difficult for you?
Difficult, little bit science.
Okay, you find science a bit difficult.
Yeah,
So do you
but
take
English is also little bit hard. But I am trying to speak English and writing also reading.
Okay, very good. Do you take tuitions for maths and science?
No,
Okay, you
my
study
mother only teach me in home.
okay, your mother teaches you at home. Your mother
Yes,
only teaches you at home and you don't take
yes.
any tuitions. So you can correct it and say, I don't take any tuitions. My mother teaches me.
Okay.
Tell me again.
Yes, my mother don't. My intuition.
No, no.
I don't.
Say, I don't take tuitions. My mother teaches me.
I don't take tuitions. My mother
Teaches me.
teaches me.
Very
Okay.
good. Very good. So you score well in your exams?
Yes. Before there are exams, practice exams. I got 15 out of 12, 15 out of 11, 15 out of 15. Like this, I have get marks. But
Okay.
now is not their exams. At March only there is exams final. Now
March.
I am going third.
Okay. Now you will go to
Yes,
oh,
third.
we say class 3. Now you will now go to class 3. So tell me something interesting which happened in school.
Okay. In school, one day the ma'am make some jokes like it's too much jokes in maths. Means Lalita ma'am, maths teacher, they make joke when you're addition, you're don't giving signs. Then they said, are you think that some plus or minus? Are you don't write that signs? Then ma'ams make jokes like you eat that add- addition or subtraction. That like jokes in in class we all laughed and 1 second we laughed only. Then the teacher said, "Don't make now jokes." The teacher tell us, "Don't
Okay.
make joke now. Then we will study."
Okay.
Then we start to study.
Okay. Then you started to study. Okay.
Yes,
You do your homework on time.
yes, I do homework. Yes, we
Okay.
got worksheets in home.
Okay.
That is only homework hour.
So right now your winter vacations are going on.
No, not vacations. There
Okay.
are schools only.
Okay. School is going on. There are no vacations.
Yes,
The school is on.
yes. There is no vacation now. In
Okay.
summer vacation,
Okay. You get summer vacations, but you don't get winter
yes.
vacations.
At Saturday, Sunday, it is holiday, and summer vacation when it is that festivals, there is holiday, but regular is school.
Okay. Okay. On weekdays,
Yes,
you have regular school, and on Saturday
yes,
off. Saturday and
yes,
Sunday are off days, right?
yes. There are half days, and in Saturday, Sunday, we go to outside and eat something from outside and take some shopping.
Okay. With your parents?
Yes, with my parents.
Okay. Don't say we go to outside. We say Saturday, Sunday, we go outside. Go to
Okay.
outside is not required. You go out on Saturday and Sunday, and you all go to a mall or something, or to a restaurant, or for a movie. Yeah?
No, I don't see movie restaurant. I go in Saturday Sunday on only here their place
Okay.
like only there
Okay.
here and there.
So you enjoy a lot on weekends with your parents and siblings.
Yes, we enjoyed too
Yeah.
much. At before there is summer vacation, we go to Satara. Yes, we visit that place Satara.
Satara. What is it?
Satara,
I don't know about it.
Satara, that district in Maharashtra.
I don't know because I live in Delhi.
You live in Delhi. Yeah. Sorry,
Okay.
you don't know.
No. Okay, so you visited there in summer vacations and you enjoyed a lot.
Yes. Can
Yeah.
I ask you one question?
Yes, yes.
How many states in India?
You are taking my GK test. This is KBC going on.
No, my
Now,
mother told me means my mother only teaches me like these questions.
okay. Tanishka, my next meeting, it's time for my next meeting. Best of luck. You are a very bright student and you are so good in English.
Yes.
You will become
Thank
very,
you,
very
ma'am.
good in English. So it was lovely
I,
talking to you. I really enjoyed talking to you.
yes, I also enjoyed talking with you.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Love you.
Have a good day, ma'am.